Good morning, and this is a recording from Monday, July 28th. The Zen story for today is titled The Cat Who Forgot the Way Back. The cat left without meaning to. It had followed a scent, sweet and unfamiliar, beyond the temple garden, past the stone's path, into the dry grass where the wind moved like breath without a body. By the time the scent disappeared, the cat had gone too far to recognize anything. The trees were taller here, the air heavier, the light bent at odd angles, like the day wasn't sure how to hold itself. The cat circled once, then twice. It pawed the dirt, meowed quietly, listened. No sound came back. It tried to retrace its steps, but there were no steps to follow. No scratch marks on bark, no worn stones, no thread of scent leading home. The cat sat, not because it understood, just because it didn't know what else to do. Time passed the way fog moves across water, without shape, without hurry. At some point, a bird landed nearby. It did not speak. It only looked at the cat and tilted its head, as if too, as if it too had once gone too far. The cat blinked, closed its eyes, then opened them again. There was a path now, not one the cat remembered walking, not one it had seen before, but somehow it was there, curved, dappled in shadow, leading somewhere. The cat stood, stretched, and walked without knowing where it led, and without needing to. Take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth of your exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Can getting lost be the first step to finding something new? Can getting lost be the first step to finding something new? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can getting lost be the first step to finding something new? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.